Hi, today we are going to discuss a very complex combination of the resistors. We are within 30 to 40 seconds. We can solve very complicated, very complex combination of the resistor. Only the simple trick by using a symmetrical rule. Symmetry, a rule. Here we know this rule in before we are wasting the time you feel. Why? It's a very simple trick. Within seeing the problem, we are simply say the answer. Very simple. Now, the first only in this symmetry rule, we are remembering very simple and the simplest two rules. In that two rules, that symmetry we are seeing in every day. Here, a very beautiful girl. It's she is not leave that one because that is the mirror. As a mirror, what is a mirror? Mirror will say the image as a clear, like that same image. That means what in the physical, the same we are seeing in the same other side. That's why symmetry, same thing. That is called as a mirror symmetry. Here, mirror symmetry. It's very simple. See, let's go the problem. See, simple. One very simple trick. Concentrate. See here. Now, A. Ding. This. Ding. Here. A. Bends. This is the 3R. R. This is whatever may be 3R or 2R or whatever may be. We can take simply smaller. Understanding. But you say simple, sir, it is like this Wheatstone-Bridge rule, P by Q is equal to R by S. But for this is a very simple, only 5 resistors. It's very simple. But in the complex circuit, the Wheatstone-Bridge rules we can apply means it's also getting confusing. But it's take more time. But I say very simple rule, that is the mirror symmetry based. Then it's easy to understand, and very within 45 or 40 seconds we can say about the answer. See, in this figure what we say, here A and B. Now, exactly we can see that the same can assume the perpendicular of the AB terminal, a line we can draw. That means 3 of this is the mirror symmetry. This is the mirror. This 3 here, 3 is there now. R. That's why it is the mirror symmetry. See, R. Now we are connecting the potential battery here in this terminal to A and B. The current will flow, I current. What happened here at this junction? The current will be divided I1. The current is divided I1. Now here current will be divided I2. Like this. I1, I2. Mirror say what? The same. I1. Here I2. The mirror will say same. What is there here? The same. Symmetrical. Now here, but what is the current here? The same current in this side means at this point the current does not flow in this resistor. Here also the same current will be there. The current does not flow in the resistor. What is the use of this? Nothing. Because of the current is directly flows. Because of these are in series. Why? By using mirror symmetry. See, the current will flow like this. You have a doubt, sir. In this, we are in the front of mirror. We are going to light these, but our image will come towards to us. But you say like this, please. I say understanding, concept understanding. Here, current will flow here. On the time, the current will be going to like this. To reverse the battery, what the current? Current will flowing. On the time, what we can say? Like this. Okay, understand? Now, here, this is how to line the mirror. How to assume means the mirror is perpendicular to the terminal. Where they asking in between the resultant resistance or equivalent resistance. Line will assume perpendicular to the AB. Then we got. Now what we say here it is now modified these this. A, it is the B. Now R, 3R. Now these two are is what? Series. These two are is what? Series. Both these two are is what? Parallel. What is this resultant? 6R. Parallel to what? 2R. Then 6R parallel to 2R means R equivalent is equal to 6R into 2R by 8R. Cancel 4, 3, 2. That is 3 by 2. This is the answer. This is one model. Now we are going to the another model. That is folding symmetry. Folding symmetry. It's like a similar, but we are assuming folding like this. Folding. Folding means these two means this hand and this hand both are folded. Folding. This hand and this hand both are same. That is called as a folding symmetry. Now we can see about that. A, B. That is 3R, 3R. R. Now you see. Here, in this problem, it is not possible mirror symmetry. In the mirror symmetry, left hand side, right hand side, right hand side are same. But here, left hand side, right hand side is different. That's why it is not possible to apply the mirror symmetry. Then we can apply the folding symmetry. Folding symmetry means up to down, up to down, up to down, up, down. The fold up and down, folding up and down. That's why we can assume a line parallel to the terminals, parallel to the AB. We can. Then we are folding 3R, 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 3R. Now we see here what is the potential? We considered X. Now here X means here X. Here Y, here Y. Here Z, here Z. Then here same terminal. Same terminal. The same terminals are joined together. These two are joined to same place. These two. But here, the potential will be same. Potential will be same means the current does not flow. Why? The current is flowing due to the only the potential difference. That means the current will flow from higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential to lower potential. but the potential will be same, means the current does not flow. That's why it is ineffective. The resistance will be ineffective. That's why we are folding these two. We are folding to this because of, see, xy, here xy. Both are the potential difference of the same. That's why these two are in parallel. We know the parallel combination. Potential difference is same in the parallel combination. Now it is folding to it. It is folding to it. What do we say? Folding 3R parallel what are? 3R by 2. R parallel what are? R by 2. Then what the answer? Both are in series. R by 3, R by 2, R by 2, 3R by 2, R by 2, 3R by 2, R by 2, 3R by 2, R by 2, 4R by 2. That is the equivalent resistance. It's got what? 2R. Mirror symmetry. Now you got idea, I think, when we are applying the mirror symmetry, when we are applying the folding symmetry, these symmetrical model problems we are applying for all resistors, almost same, equal resistors. See, like this. This is the very important, this model, because of in IIT, JEE, advanced and NEET level also, very within 45 seconds. You are more practicing means within 5-6 seconds we can solve it. Now let's go the problems. Now let's go the model problems about mirror symmetry and folding symmetry. Now first two example problems for each model. Now first mirror symmetry problem. First problem, you see, all resistors are equal. Now this A and B, all resistors are equal. R. Now this. You have idea? See? Wilson-Bridge principle, how apply Wilson-Bridge principle? That's why. By using this symmetrical rule, we can solve within 10 seconds, you see. Now, which? It is a folding symmetry or mirror symmetry? Folding symmetry. Along the line AB. Down there is no any circuit. That's why it is never apply the folding symmetry. Now what? Mirror symmetry. Yes, mirror symmetry. Mirror symmetry. Your folding symmetry, when in the down also something circuits will be there, means we can apply the folding symmetry. Now here only mirror symmetry because of down is not there. See, LHS side and RHS side symmetry same as it is. We can see this and we can see this. Both are same. LHS side, RHS side. Both sides are symmetrical, same. That is called as a mirror symmetry. Now here we can apply the potential difference across the A and B. Then the current will be flow I. Then current is divided, it is the I1, it is the I2. Then here I1, here I2. Like mirror as it is. Already I said I1, I2, not like these we can shape, but we can reverse it. Then now here you see, here current will passes through it. That's why the connection will not connected to this. Because of what is the current in this? Here. Because series combination only the current will be same through the same resistors. Through the resistors. That's why these are in series. Then the modified the figure. How to modify it? See. See, simple. A, B. Now you say answer over. That is over. Now what? These two are in series. These two are in series. R, 2R, 2R. These two are in parallel. Parallel means what? 2R by both equal resistors are in parallel. That's why formula R by N, that is 2R by 2. Then cancel what? R. Then modify this. R. A, B. 3R, 2R. Modify this. Two R, 3R. What? AB. That is 3R equivalent. 3R into 2R by 5R. Cancel. 6R by 5. We are only taking the model. Nothing. Just to imagine. Yes. These like this. These are in series. These are in series. Both are in parallel. Then R. 3R. 2R. 3R and 2R are in parallel. Then 6R by 5. Now going to another one. It's another model problem to see. Second one. A, B. Now this, how to solve this? It's a mirror symmetry or folding symmetry? Mirror symmetry or folding symmetry? R. Symmetrical one. Mirror symmetry. Yes. Or you can use the folding symmetry also. Same. See. I1, I2, I3. Then I2, I3, I1. Nothing. Just 2R. That is modified that. 2R. A, B. That is what? 2R by 3. Don't see the problem all like that. Just try it. 1 or 2 times to practice the same model. Then we get this 2R by 3. Just within 10 seconds, no? Now, the third problem. See, A, B. Yes. Now it is which we are applied the folding symmetry or mirror symmetry made. Here there is no that. That's why what? Folding symmetry. Yes, folding symmetry. We choosing the symmetry, which folding or mirror, the problem is katham, finish. See, then folding this, because of here x, same potential are connected to the same points, y point and it is a y. Here z, here z, then folding it means what? Then you see, folding it, this is folding here to here to here, same potential, that's why folding it. These two are in parallel, 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 these two are parallel. Two resistance are parallel, two equal resistance are parallel, r by 2 means C. That's r by 2, A here, B here. It is folding it, r by 2. Here 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 r by 2. Over. Khatam. R. Both are in what? R. Series r by 2, 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 series R. R by 2, r by 2, series R. R. Parallel. That's why what? R by 2. R by 2. R by 2. R by 2. Then what? Adding 3R by 2. Equivalent resistance is 3R by 2. Okay, finished up. Now, any doubt? See, simply folding symmetry, down and up, both same resistors, same, like the folding symmetry, the above, like is a mirror, we are seeing up and down and up. What is down and up? Both are same. That is, and the time we are applying folding symmetry. One logic you remember: folding symmetry, resistors are parallel. Folding symmetry, resistors are parallel. Mirror symmetry, resistance are series. Folding symmetry, potentials. Mirror symmetry, current. It's over. Now going to 4 to 1. Yes, 4 to 1. 4 to 1. A, B. The resistance between A and B, They are asking all resistors R. No. What? Which symmetry? Folding or mirror? Now confusion. Mirror or folding? See. Here, mirror or folding. What is mirror? Along the terminals, along the line, along the AB, parallel to the AB is a folding. Perpendicular to the AB, line perpendicular to AB, mirror. Now we are assuming along AB. This is the folding symmetry. Now see R. Now say R. Say here X, here X, Y, here Y, X, Y. See, now fold it. What? AB. So now this folding means what is X, A. Both potential same, no? That's why folding means parallel. That is R by 2. Next, this BY, same potential, folding it. What? BY, R by 2. Now XY, folding it. XY. This is R by 2. Now what this? X. No current passes. No current flows in this. Why? Then now this over. These are in series. 3R by 2. This parallel with this are equivalent. What we say? 3R by 2 plus R into R by 3R by 2 plus R. Then what? 3R square by 2 by 5R by 2. 2 to cancel. Then 3R by 5. It's over. Now, last two problems we are going to discuss. Last two problems. Yes, you will say that I will draw the two problems on board now. Now, fifth one. See? A, B. Now, all resistors are equal. R. This. Another one also you will try. Another one also what? A. B. Now Katam. This, it's a big one. How? This is number of resistors. All resistors are equal. Now which? How? How? Now, see, which one? This is applied that folding symmetry or mirror symmetry. You see, down is there. Up or down only folding. No, down is not there. What? Folding is not possible. That's why mirror. What is the mirror? Mirror symmetry character is there? Yes. Okay, cut. Now, what? The current is divided. I1, I2, I2. Then you see mirror. I1, I2 here, I1 here, I3, I2. That means current will flow. Yes, this is. Now, current will flow. Current directly will flow. Current will directly will flow. It's not. Current will flow here. Current will flow. Then what? This connection not there because current will flow I1 like these. Okay. Now what we will do is cutting this. Then cutting means like jing chekka. Yes, over. Now calculate here 2R, here 2R, here 2R, here 2R, here 2R, here 2R. Now these two are in parallel R. These two are in parallel R. These two are in parallel. These two are in series. Now what? A, B. 2R parallel means it's a R. It is a 2R because of series. 2R. Now here R. Now what? 5R, R. 5R is parallel to R. Then what answer? Say 5R into R by 6R. Cancel. 5R by 6. That is R equivalent. It's a simple, nothing to, don't fear first. Check it now. The sixth one. See, A and B. A and B. Now it is mirror. Folding symmetry. Yes, folding symmetry because up and down the same. Mirror symmetry means LHS or RHS. LHS or RH. See, up and down. Now what? All are same. All resistance will be same, no? Then up how many resistors connected? Same, similar in the down also. Now see here X, so Y, X, so Y, Z, here Z, here J, here J, same, here K, here K. Now here we consider P and here we consider Q. See, you understand? Folding it AX, AX, XY, XY, YZ, YZ, ZJ, ZJ, ZK, ZK, KB, KB. It's folding it. Then what? Directly we say no. The down must be completed. Only this. This all R by 2, 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 R by 2. Over. This R by 2, R by 2 series, R by 2, R by 2 series, R by 2, R by 2 series, R by 2, R by 2 series. Then these are R, these are R, these are R, these are R. Series coming. These two are in parallel, these two are in parallel. Then what? The final is BA. R by 2 here, R by 2 here, R by 2. See? Because of R parallel, R by 2. R parallel, R by 2, R by 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Equivalent is 4R by 2. 2R. So very, very simple. Now, the last two problem, very important. It's a very important problem. Very important problem. See. Maybe. Now what? Now what? What is the answer? What is the answer? All resistors are same. Now will you say answer? It's very simple now. Which? Folding or mirror? Folding or mirror? Folding or mirror? Folding. Folding. Just X, Y, X, Y. Reverse it. Then same potential difference, current. Same potential difference, current. R by 2, R by 2, R by 2. Just AB. R by 2, R by 2, R by 2. Answer. 3R by 2. Over. This by one more, we practice more and more. The number of problems we will try in the model and in any other materials. Definitely, we will get a very easy. 2 times we watch the video and next minute, next second, you can see any problem within 10 seconds. You will solve the complicated, complex circuits of a combination of resistors. Next, we are going to discuss the cubes in 3 dimensions, now only 2 dimensions. In 3-dimensional combination of, complex combination of resistors. Next class, we are discussing. Watch your Mahi.